What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Master Lock Rake Gauntlet. So today I'm taking 3 different Master Locks, subjecting each of them to 4 different rakes, seeing how they hold up, and we'll see if we can declare a winner by the end. So let's meet the contestants. Master Lock 141, cheap locker padlock. Master Lock number 3, everyone's hated Master Lock. And the Master Lock number 5, the Master Lock number 3's bigger brother. So, first up, 141, City Rake. It's open. Master Lock number 3, City Rake. It's open. Master Lock number 5, City Rake. Get in there. I'll be shocked if this thing passes. Alright, we're going to call that a pass. 141, Triple Peak Bogota. Flip it over. It's open. Master Lock number 3, Triple Peak Bogota. So far, so good. Flip it over. We're gonna call that a pass. Good job, number 3. Master Lock number 5, Triple Peak Bogota. Ooh, no chance. Master Lock 141, Sparrow's Worm Rake. I don't think this thing's gonna stand a chance. It's sticking more than I thought. So far, so good. Oh, there it is. The rake just shot out of there. That's an open. Master Lock number 3, Sparrow's Worm Rake. I don't know how this one's gonna do. Flip it over. It's holding up so far. call that a pass. Good job, number 3. Master lock number 5, Sparrow's Worm Rake. Oof, no chance. Master lock 141, Sparrow's Sandman. Very curious how this is going to do in all these locks. Woo! Done. That's open. Master lock number 3, Sparrow's Sandman. I'm surprised the number 3's holding up so well in this competition. Dang, son. I hate to say this, but we're gonna have to call that a pass. Good job, number 3. Master lock number 5, Sparrow's Sandman. Man, this is difficult. This thing's got strong springs in it or something, because this thing's hard to move a rake around in. This Sandman's really having a tough time. I'm stabbing myself. We're gonna call that a pass before I hurt myself. So, what did we learn? Absolutely nothing. We're just having a little bit of fun playing around with some locks and rakes. It was kind of interesting though that the Master Lock number 3 held up a lot better than the number 5. The number 5's more expensive and higher rated on that Master Lock security scale that they got there. But it wasn't surprising that the 141 was able to be opened by every single rake because that lock is a pile of garbage. But the number 3 is the clear winner today. Probably the first award it's ever going to receive in its lifetime. But aside from that, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys had some fun with me today. And if you like my videos, follow me on Twitter @SlatsLocks. And if you like the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.